Okay, so I've shown you what I want the menu to look like on the screen. What we need to do now is write our main program, which is going to be just one big loop, which is going to keep checking whether they want to play the game, and if they do play it, if they don't, quit out of the game. So this is going to be my main program, and as with all other designs using flowcharts, I'm going to start off with the word start. Okay, so I've got my start. Now, you'll have to trust me on this one. We are going to begin by setting the board size. Now, if you're playing Mastermind, there are 10 rows on the board, and we're going to tell the program right at the very start that there should be 10 rows. This could change later, but to begin with, we're just going to set it to 10. So that is going to be a process. Set size to 10. So that is a process, and the process box is very similar to the subroutine box, except that it doesn't have the bars at the side. So that's the first thing we're going to do, is set the size of the board to 10. Now, we're going to show the person the menu so that they can have their selection. Remember, we had the menu, we had a title, main menu, then choices 1, 2 and 3, 1, play the game, 2, change the size, 3, quit the game. All we want to do is show that on the screen. We don't want to do anything else, just that single job. So I'm going to write that down now, show menu, and that is a process. It's got one job to do, which is just show the menu. So after I've set the size, I'm going to show the menu. Now when the menu's on the screen, the user is going to be choosing either 1, 2 or 3, and we have to capture that choice, get that information from them so that we know what they want to do. So that's my next subroutine, is get the choice. Again, a subroutine. So far we are just programming in sequential steps. That's one thing after another. So we've got their choice. They've either chosen 1, they've chosen 2, or they've chosen 3. Maybe they've chosen 4, which we didn't give them an option for, and we still have to sort of handle that one as well. The first one I'm going to do is the 1. What happens if they chose 1? I'm just going to put a question mark and a 1 because it's rather difficult drawing diamond boxes and fitting all the words in. Okay, so I'm just going to say, did they choose 1? It looks like that. So that comes straight after get choice. There's going to be 2 options. Either they chose 1 or they didn't. They chose something else. If they chose 1, I'm going to take it out to the side. This is my yes condition. They've chosen 1. And if they did, well, what was choose 1? Choose 1 was play the game. So I'm just going to write that, play game, and turn that into a subroutine. There we go. We've got them playing the game. Once they've played the game, when the game's over and they've won or they've lost, what we want to happen is for it to go back and show the menu to give them a chance at playing another game or changing the board size, making it more difficult. So I'm going to take it out here and then draw a line right the way back up to the show menu. Okay, so when they finish playing the game, they're going to go back. They're going to see the menu again, get another choice, play the game, keep going on. This is going to be a loop for me to play my game. So what happens if they didn't choose 1? Let's say they chose 2. Well, let's check for that. They chose 2. Now, if they chose 2, let's take it out to the side again. If they chose 2, what they wanted to do was change the size of the board. So we could have a subroutine for getting the new size of the board. There we go, got a subroutine getting the new size of the board. And once they've gotten the new size, what they want to do is play the game with the new size. So I'm going to take an arrow from get new size back up to play game. So they're going to get the new size, then play the game. When they finish the game, it's going to take them back up to the show menu, get another choice. They could either choose 1 or they could choose 2 and get yet another size, perhaps they really want to make it difficult. But finally, what we need to happen is if they choose 3. What happens if they choose to quit the game? So let's just move this up a little bit so you can see it. Again, I'm just going to choose 3 in the diamond box. They chose 3. It's going to be a little bit different this time. If they chose 3, so put the N on there for they didn't choose 2. If they chose 3, I'm just going to draw a line out the bottom for the yes condition, and that is going to take me to the end of the program. They chose to quit. So that's the end of the program. If they didn't choose 3, then I'm going to take it all the way back round. So let's say they chose 4, or they chose 5, or anything else. It's going to take them all the way back round, and it's going to show them the menu again at the top. Okay, it's going to take them back round, show the menu again, get their choice. Did they choose 4? No. Go back round, show menu, and keep going until they choose 3, and then it's going to quit the game. So that is the loop for the main program.